Imagine, if you will, the ability to hop from one moment in time to another, or to traverse the vast expanse of the universe in the blink of an eye. Sounds like a plot of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? But what if it's more science than fiction? Welcome to the fascinating world of space and time travel. The concept of space and time travel at its core is about moving between different points in space and time, much like moving from one city to another, but on a cosmic scale. It's about bending the rules of our universe, which currently limit us to moving forward in time at a constant rate and traveling through space at speeds far less than light. To understand this, imagine space and time as a vast two-dimensional sheet. This is the fabric of our universe, and everything within it, from galaxies and stars to you and me, exists on this sheet. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that this sheet is not flat, but warped and twisted by the mass and energy of the universe. Now picture a heavy ball sitting on this sheet. It creates a dip, a distortion in space and time. This is what we call gravity. The heavier the object, the deeper the dip. This is why light bends around a massive object, like a black hole. It's not that the light is being pulled in, but rather it's following the curvature of space and time. But what if we could create our own distortions, our own dips in the fabric of space and time? That's where the concept of a wormhole comes in. A wormhole is a theoretical tunnel, a shortcut through the fabric of space and time. If we could create and stabilize a wormhole, we could potentially step from one point in space to another, or from one moment in time to another, almost instantly. However, it's important to note that creating a wormhole is purely theoretical at this point. The energy and technology required are beyond our current capabilities, and even if we could create a wormhole, there are many dangers and unknowns. For example, how do we ensure it doesn't collapse and trap us inside? Or how do we avoid the intense radiation that might exist within? In summary, space and time travel is about moving between different points in space and time. It's based on the idea of bending the fabric of our universe, which is twisted and warped by mass and energy. The concept of a wormhole, a shortcut through space and time, is key to this idea. However, creating and using a wormhole is purely theoretical and fraught with unknowns and dangers. So while space and time travel remains a fascinating concept, it's important to remember that it's currently more in the realm of science fiction than science fact. But who knows what the future might hold? After all, many of the things we take for granted today were once thought impossible. So keep dreaming, keep wondering, and keep exploring the mysteries of our universe.